Welcome to Unboxing Monday. Let's give this one an open. Ba-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da. Oh, I love this with a little handy dandy card. E.L.F. Cosmetics and Skincare. Holy hydration. Wow. Whoa. Holy buckets, we got a lot in here. Okay, E.L.F. Cosmetics, this is men's skincare. All right, let me get my life together. La da da da. Oh my God, this is so great. I went to one of their events and this is some of the stuff that I got from them. This is a Holy Hydration Face Cream. This is a broad spectrum. It's 30 SPF with hyaluronic acid and peptides. And then we have a Holy Hydration Hydro Gel Moisturizer. And this also has hyaluronic acid with peptides as well. This plumps and hydrates the skin. For skin types, this is for dry, oily combination. Perfect. How to use, this is a moisturizer. Use it when you use it. There's a lip mask and an eye cream in the Holy Hydration. Let's move on to, which one is this? Okay, we have the Pure Skin Cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer. The toner, so many people are often wondering what you do with the toner, and a toner really helps. It's non-drying, it tones out the skin, and it preps the skin for the moisturizer. And this is the moisturizer. So we have Holy Hydration, and then we have the Pure Skin Cleanse, Tone, Moisture. And then we also have Blemish Breakthrough. So if you have skin that blemishes, let's take a look at this. The Clarifying Cleanser. This is Acne Calming Water Cream. And then we have a triple acid resurfacing serum. And this has an 8.5% triple acid complex. All great for blemished skin. And then acne fighting spot gel. So if you have one area, this is for spot treatment. So they have everything covered from blemish, moisturizing with the Holy Hydration, and then we also have the Pure Skin. Man, this is gonna be awesome for my skin this year. Boom! E.L.F. Skincare, you gotta love that. What should I put on?